I'm Mike Calvert. This is my 3x8 Creekside welding race blue evaporator. I did get the gasification arch. This is pretty cool right here. It gave me a window, I can see what's going on. Now, this evaporator is equipped with the preheater. Comes in here, runs across, comes down into there. Now, it comes out here, through here, goes in that partition, goes into this one, transfers over to this partition, comes across, and this is where you draw off. Now I chose this way because I know a wood fire evaporator, this is always the hottest partition, these two right here. It gives it a better draw off, more consistent. I get about 3 barrels, 40-gallon barrels of syrup per half full cord of wood. Now that's very, very dry wood. That's been sitting for 3 years, so I could do probably better. My boiling rate is about 130 gallons per hour, and I'm very happy with what Dave built me. On this side, we got concentrate coming out of the steam fans. There's where the light goes in. Just an awesome arch. I'm definitely going to buy a bigger one when the time comes from Dave. Thank you.